Dead battery? Now you need jumper cables. Then you need another vehicle. Then you need to find someone willing to help. And then you need to figure out which clamp goes where. There is a better way. Welcome to the TYPE S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our latest and safest jump starter family yet. Meet the TYPE S PowerGuide series, our most intuitive and worry-free jump starters yet. They feature patented Cross-Jump Polarity Safety Technology. Unlike traditional jump starters, Cross-Jump Technology allows you to safely connect to either battery terminal without worrying about identifying positive or negative connections. No sparks, no guesswork. Whether you drive a car, SUV, or truck, there's a PowerGuide model designed for your needs. The PowerGuide 1000 amp is ideal for everyday drivers. The 1500 amp adds extra capability for larger SUVs and trucks. And the larger PowerGuide 2000 delivers maximum starting power for larger engines in demanding situations. Every PowerGuide model features exclusive Cross-Jump Polarity Safety Technology, helping eliminate one of the most intimidating parts of jump starting while making the process easier for everyone, including drivers who may have difficulty distinguishing colors. Simple, safe, powerful, TYPE S PowerGuide jump starters are your ultimate roadside assistant. Inside the package, you'll find a PowerGuide jump starter power bank, a set of cross-jump cables with integrated smart controller, one 12-volt USB vehicle charger, one USB-C charging cable, and a storage bag. The built-in PowerGuide display provides animated, step-by-step instructions that guide you through the jump starting process from start to finish. The display also provides real-time charging information for both the jump starter and connected mobile devices. For additional support, visit typesauto.com or contact our customer care team by phone, email, or live chat. And remember, wherever the road takes you, TYPE S jump starters are your ultimate roadside assistant.